Hey guys, I'm Jamon9.ph and today magkakameron tayo ng hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare J1. So ano bang meron dito sa smartphone na to? Unang-una, affordable siya. Pangalawang, meron siyang quad-core processor. And pangatlong, meron siyang 5-inch FWVGA display. Alam ko na hindi siya yung specifications na hinahanap nyo, pero para sa presyo niya, okay na okay tong Cherry Mobile Flare J1. So ano bang inaantay natin? And i-hands-on na natin si Cherry Mobile Flare J1.
Alright guys, so we have here the Cherry Mobile Flare J1. So this is one of the affordable smartphones ni Cherry Mobile and it's now available. So ano ba meron dito? So the Cherry Mobile Flare J1 has a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 8 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front camera. There's 512 MB of RAM, Android 5.1 Lollipop na operating system. So it's one of the latest, not the latest pero it's not Marshmallow pero not maganda na din na Android 5.1 siya. So we also have here the 5.0 FWVGA display and there's a 4 gigs of internal storage. Fortunately, there's no LTE. Maybe it's because of the limitations na kanila processor, which is just a quad-core 1.3. So I guess this is MT6582. So before we open this one, and let's open this smartphone. Alright, so wait lang. And so this is the Cherry Mobile Flare J1. So we have here the micro SD card slot, the SIM card slot, which is this is the first SIM card, and then the other one is here. So both are using regular SIM card or the mini SIM card, which is yung medyo malaki. Yung pinakauna na naging familiar kayo, not this big na SIM card, pero yung ganito lang. Not micro SIM, not nano SIM, just the regular mini SIM card. Alright, so sa likod, we got here a solid plastic body. So this one is white and type ko yung kanyang pagka-white. Very solid, matibay siya. By the way, before I forgot, kanina pinakita sa inyo, nakita yung battery, it's non-removable. You cannot remove the battery of the Flare J1. So sa likod, again, we got the hard shell na maganda yung ano niya, yung feeling niya. Kasi sobrang solid niya. Sa tabihan, we got the power button which is bubuksan na natin si Cherry Mobile Flare J1. Alright, so yan, si Flare J1. So sa ilalim, we got here yung kanyang capacitive buttons. Although hindi siya umiilaw. The very loud speaker sa likod, ito, speaker grill. On the other side, we got the volume rocker. Mapansin nyo. And of course, we got here the chrome sides. Na it's made up of plastic. And then the front camera. So again, this is Android 5.1 and maganda siya tingnan. Sobrang smooth niya. Parang Android 1 smooth. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung software niya. But for now, by the way, this is the camera. Alright, so let's talk about pa dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare J1. Although napansin niyo na medyo fingerprints smudgy siya. Ang dami na fingerprints. This is the 5-inch display. Maganda siya tignan pag nakapatay, pero pag binuksan niyo na, papansin niyo, malaki yung bezels niya na black. So it's not edge to edge. But again, this is an affordable smartphone. So, hindi na ako magre-reklamo kung bakit may ganun. It still looks good kahit na may bezels kang black. It's Android 5.1. Maganda yung UI niya. And maganda yung design niya na may white dito, then black na bezels. Although medyo makapal nga lang yung bezels niya. So, medyo annoying lang yun. But, yan. So, pag binuksan nyo, we got here the launcher na nakikita nyo sa Android 1. This is not fully vanilla na Android, but look, it's smooth, it's fun to use, and mabilis siya. Masarap gamitin. It's something na magugustuhan niyo yung kanyang software. So yan, makikita niyo naman na yung kanyang settings is very smooth, transition, super smooth. And then of course, we got here the wireless update and other applications such as yung messages, Opera Mini, whatever. Right, so the camera, let's try that out. So it's not, hindi siya Google, it's Google camera. Not sure about that, pero similar yung UI niya sa Google camera. So we can say that much about sa camera niya, but got here a 8 megapixel camera with single LED flash. But I doubt na sobrang ganda ng quality niya. But let's see, probably baka maayos naman, so try lang. So alright, so medyo matagal siya mag-shoot. It takes time bago siya nag-load. Narinig niyo naman, nakita niyo naman kung kailan ko sinat. And then, it takes time na mag-load si Flare J1. Yan, so Alright, so okay naman. Although, again, this is affordable smartphone. So, madilim sa labas and okay naman yung kanya ko. Para sa kanyang presyo. Again, para sa kanyang presyo, okay yung kuha niya. Mapapansin nyo nga lang, hindi nyo mapapansin na maganda yung display niya kasi hindi siya IPS. So, iba yung kulay niya pag iba yung angle. So, hindi nyo ma-appreciate fully yung kanyang display. Yan, so, it's sharp naman. So, yeah. Verdict, the Cherry Mobile Flare J1 is affordable, so hindi ako nag-expect masyado sa kanya, but I really like the design, yung ganitong design. It reminds me of an HTC smartphone. Meron sa white dito, and then black, and then sa likod we got plastic, we got the chrome sides. It isn't the most premium smartphone design na makikita natin, but it feels okay. It feels good to hold. Tama yung laki niya, 5-inch, and then again, type screen design. It's also powered by Android 5.1 Lollipop, which is not the latest one, pero this is the smartphone OS na ng Android na before Marshmallow. So, Marshmallow is not yet stable, marami pa siyang kailangan bug fixes, but for Nexus devices, of course, medyo smooth na siya. Pero if you put Android 6.0 dito, siguro expect a lot of bugs on the Flare J1. So, okay lang na naka-Android 5.1 lang kayo din sa Flare J1. So, yeah. The Cherry Mobile Flare J1 is now available. Pwede nyo kunin online or offline. Just check out the stores, the Cherry Mobile stores and kiosks. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching the unboxing. No unboxing, just the hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Flare J1.